everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So as you read by the title, today we're gonna be making a calendar for the next year. So as you know, it's November end and the year is almost coming to an end, and I don't know how this year passed by so fast. It was just like a blink of an eye and the whole year is almost over. So in this video, we're going to be making a DIY calendar, which is a table calendar, not a wall calendar. So we're going to be making a table calendar and everything is going to be customized to whatever you want, or whatever in this video, whatever I want. So I'm not going to be using any hi-fi materials. It's just going to be normal A4 sheets, and maybe you can use KG cardboard for the thickness of the sheet. And also you will be needing a spiral binder thing. So the calendar that I'm making is customized according to my preferences and according to my choices. But if you want to customize it according to your preferences, you can do that as well. You can do any type of design for the background of each month, and also if you want, you can just stick stickers as well. And also, even the way I'm making the calendar is also up to you. If you want to do it in a completely different way, you can do it in a different way. And instead of doing a tabular thing for the dates and all, you can just make it random or make it a little different than what I am doing. You can put the heading of the month on top and then get the tabular down, or you can do any variation. I preferred it this way, so I am doing it this way. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do in today's video, and let's get started. So I'm gonna be using normal A4 sheet and cut it into 4 parts, and each part is gonna be 1 month. After that, I have thick cardboard type sheets which are the size of an A4. So I'll be cutting them into half so that I get a frame around the cut A4 sheet like this. Next, I'm gonna be drawing a table on one sheet, which will be for the dates and days of the month. And later I'll do the background for each month differently and then draw the table on all sheets. So I'm gonna be doing the background with soft pastels, and every month will have a different color combination. So every month has a different color combo according to my understanding of seasons and festivals in those particular months. Like for example, February is the month of love because of Valentine's Day, and December is the month of Christmas. So I've put respective colors for the respective months. So now that we're done with the background, I'll be doing the writing part, which is the months, year and dates in a tabular form. It's not gonna be equal and uniform, so please excuse me for that. All handmade products have their own flaws, so this is one of them. Besides, you are doing it for yourself and not giving it to someone. So enjoy the process and don't stress. So now that we're partially done with the months, we'll start punching the cardboard sheets so that we can spiral them at the end. After punching, we're gonna stick the colored sheets onto the cardboard and we'll be using both sides. I'm also gonna be making the cover for the calendar. It's up to you if you want to make one or not. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna be filling the dates real quick, after which we're gonna put the spiral. So what happened here is that I punched very less holes and very far away from each other. So I cut them off and punched new holes which I haven't shown in the video. But these sheets here are properly punched and are according to the spiral I'm gonna use. So here what happened was I made a really big mistake and I messed up the dates while writing. So I'm gonna be doing a bit of patchwork here, and as I'm only using it at home, I'm not gonna try to match the background and let it be. But if you wanna make it for someone, I suggest you to redo the whole sheet, otherwise it will look odd. So here I'm gonna be fixing the spiral and I kind of messed up a little bit here as well. So just don't mind my distracted brain in this video and I'm really sorry for that. Just wanted to keep it real, didn't want to redo the recording. So I hope you guys are okay with it. And thank you for watching me make mistakes for so long. And I love you for watching my video till here. So this is the part I messed up. If you notice it, you are sharp. If not, just continue watching. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the calendar making session of this video. So as I mentioned earlier, you can customize the calendar as per your requirements. It's not necessary that it has to be according to what I am doing. And I'll attach the final product of the calendar in the next clip. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed how I made the calendar, and I hope you liked the final product of how the calendar turned out. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. And also I've been checking analytics from a few days and most of you haven't subscribed. Nearly 50% haven't subscribed and are still watching my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me and it will help me grow as well. And also let me know if you have any more suggestions for my further videos. So it's almost December now and most probably I'll be starting the Christmas edition of the videos now, and I'll hopefully have more Christmas videos this time. So yeah, stay tuned for the further videos and I hope you'll enjoy them as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again in another video. Bye!